Hello everyone, class 7. This is Rashid Khan from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Here we have to study about how the thunderstorm get changed into the cyclone, or you can say how the thunderstorm becomes a cyclone. The thunderstorm gets become a cyclone. How it happened? First of all, we know that cyclone is what? It is a violent winds with a violent storm wind with accompanied by a heavy rainfall and winds, and as well as there is a tidal waves too, due to which these are develops over the sea and then moves towards the land. What will happen from the sea to land? There will be the cyclone, there will be the storms accompanied by tidal waves and as well as the rainfalls, heavy rainfalls. So it can come back again to the grounds or to the land. What will happen? So there will be damages caused. These damages caused due to the destruction through the storm, these storm which develops over the sea. And this is the reason why this land it reaches then its speed about to 130 km per hour. What will happen? There will be it's accompanied, or it can be contain about a wider area, might be the wider and wider with the wind, and this can be reaches up to the ground as well. What will be the criteria by which it can cause? What are the factors that affect this cyclone? What are these? That is a temperature, winds direction, winds speed, the humidity, as well as the rotation of the earth can contribute to the cyclone. Why it is produces? This can be produces due to what? I will tell you one thing. When there is a, suppose if there is a air rises, why? Because this one is rises. This is rises due to the temperature on the earth that can causes the water to get evaporate. When it get evaporate, then the warmer air rises up and up. Warmer air get rises. Then this warmer air get rises up and up, and due to which there is and the raindrops, the temperature is acquired. This temperature is acquired by atmosphere. The atmosphere receives from the atmosphere this water or these winds can achieve or can have the temperature. When the temperature rises, it can be rises up and up, and hence there is a raindrops which mixes with them. What will happen when these raindrops, the raindrops by friction or by striking to one another, the raindrops produces, the raindrop also produces the heat, and due to heat there will be the rising of winds as above, and the moist air come back to the earth. What will happen then? When it could be come to the earth, then it has to be supposed to be the move here where there is a low pressure created, which our surrounding this air come back to the earth where there is a low pressure created. There is a low pressure created due to our surrounding, from the atmospheric air which moves back to the earth, and this can be produces more and more pressure. Why? Because where there is a low pressure created, these air runs towards itself or rushes towards, so more rushes of the air or wind, this can be produces more pressure. Due to the pressure in the particular region, due to which the force that by the friction of these, by the friction of the raindrops, it can also develop more and more pressure. Due to developing more pressure on which there will be the high speed of winds develop. Why? Because of the more pressure, there is a wind develop which have the high speed, and due to this high speed the weather condition here is said to be the cyclone. Why? Because it is called as the storm, the wind storm. Why? Because the speed of a wind rises and rises, and the whirling are, this can be swirling wind, so it is its speed is rather increases and increases. By the increasing its speed, it is back into the, from the storm to the cyclone as well. So this is the reason by which this can be changes, or this can be formed. The thunderstorm may become changed into the cyclone. Now the next one is it is the center on which, in a center there is a center from where these airs are blown. This is the center on which, that is the eyes. Why it is called a eye? Why? Because there is a very calm and very silent piece of a zone from where there is the whirling takes place. All these way the whirling takes place, and in the center a structure known as a eyes. In the eyes there is no destruction or no any rapid action takes place. These are very calm and very silent, but through which there is all around, there is a whirling or a very violent mob air moves from this, and then these air or these winds move in the form of a cyclonic wave. So these can come to the earth or come to the land and destructed all about the way in which it falls. Why? Because this can be a very destructive and a damaging type of a wind that can be caused a lot of losses of a human being, even plants, as well as for the animal as well of these chapters. This chapter, so the remaining portion of the chapter we have to study about. We have to continue about that the winds, storms and cyclone. So I have already discussed or explained about the winds, storms. Now it is time to discuss about that the cyclone, how the cyclone cause and how the cyclones get developed into the cyclone, how the thunderstorm get developed into the cyclone. How it happens? Because of the only one reason, that is cyclone is a violent, that is a violent whirling winds. How it can be caused? These are the violent storm accompanied by a swirling winds which have a heavy rainfalls and a tidal waves that may be caused first of all at the surface of the ocean, and then it rises up, and here due to the formation of the heavy air, formation of the heavy water vapors, due to the formation of water vapors there is a chunks of ice that get connected and form the raindrops. These raindrops are these raindrops are attached to one another that can produces a high temperature. This can be due to the friction. There will be the temperature rises. Due to rises in the temperature, when the air got evaporated, so there be some warmer air get rises up, and the moist air get back into the lower portion, due to which there is a storm caused. Why? Because these air somewhere flow or blow through the point where there is a air pressure got developed at the center or at the point or at the surface of the earth. Wherever the low pressure generated, where these air moves up. When there is a pressure exceed, or they can be rises, they can be increases, so there will be the great pressure can caused. and due to the whirling due to these storm there will be whirling of air can cause, and due to which there is a most criteria to be taken on which the formation of a cyclone takes place. This is what we can call the cyclone. How this can be happen? This will be happen from the thunderstorm. There are the some reason by which it can be caused. What are these? The humidity, the temperature, the raindrops, the air warmer, and as well as there is a rotation of a earth, there is a upward rises of the winds. This can be rotation of a earth can also contributed to the formation of a cyclone. How this can be changes? This can be changes with the help of the pressure generated. How this can be happen? This can be happen by when there is a evaporations happen, there will be a rising of warmer air or warmer winds to the upside or upper. They moves upside and moves rise up and rise up. Then what happened? The air rushes towards where there is a low pressure created. When this low pressure is created, then it will be more pressure generated over there, and when these more pressure generated, the air travels very fast at that particular place. So on that resultant there is a formation of a low temperature, low pressure as well, and these low pressure causes a flow of air, that is the warmer air and the moist air inside to one another. What will happen then? Then there is a reason caused where there is a storm can take place, that one whirling may take place, and due to this whirling there will be the cyclone caused. There is, it is calm. So above the eyes to the height or to the very height there is a pressure increases by diameter of about 10 to 30 meter approx. But when it moves up and up, so due to the rainfalls or due to the heavy rain drops or darker region of the clouds, there will be the winds gets decreases its speed or decreases, and then its speed become slow, become low, and this can be when falls away. When it can be falls away, their speed might be the very low. So that is the reason it is said to be the wind speed got decreases. Why the wind speed got decreases? Because to the above height of the eyes, very height of the eyes, there is a raindrops and a weather conditions, due to which their wind is decreases, the speed of a wind decreases. But when the winds move towards the tropical region, so these winds when moves towards the tropic, then said to be the tropical wind, and when the winds move from the it can reaches up to the 74 mile so per hour, so then that one is said to be the tropical winds. But when it moves, it is near about 30 mile per hour, so that one is called as a tropical wind. When its speed nearly 74 mile per hour, then it is said to be what? The tropical cyclone. Then it is said to be tropical cyclone, or also it is said to be the hurricane. So in this manner the winds are travel, and this can causes lots of damages as well. So we will check it out, what are the damages caused by the cyclones. So we can say damages caused by cyclone. Damages caused by cyclone. How these damages caused? These damages are, what are damages? When the strong winds blow, it can causes the uprooting of the plant. First of all, uprooting of the plant. Sometimes it can ruin or spoil the crops as well. This can have the loss of life of the human being, as well as it can also the losses, it can do the also losses about that the animals too. Where there is a low pressure created, that surface at the center, this center might be the total low laying land might be destructed, and there is a due to the flow of these particular type of water are swirling the water, there the upper layer of the soil get removed, and that can causes the infertility. The fertility is decreases. Hence, heavy rainfalls that can return the floods and drought and can disturb the life as well. What are the next? The next is the high speed wind can causes a lots of damages to the plants, to the animal, as well as to the human life. So these are all about that the damages caused due to the cyclone. So we can say in case of a cyclone might be the different causes or damages takes place. So we will have to prepare or to prevent ourselves to become a very awareness about this through the different news resources or different sources of a news, different information and forecasting as well. So this is all about the chapter. We'll discuss later. To discuss about tornadoes. What are the tornadoes called as? Tornadoes are what actually? Tornadoes are heavy, or you can say swirling, or is a violent swirling or twisting funnel-like structure when it is caused by the wind, or we can say when a funnel-like wind caused or produces by the wind from the cloud, or we can say the funnel-like wind sinks to the ground from the clouds, then it is said to be the tornadoes. Tornado is not just a cyclone, it is a form of a cyclone. Maybe the tornadoes, most of the tornadoes can be developed over the cyclone. This can have the very high speed for about nearly to 500 kilometer approx, and this can be wide as well from the few meter to the hundred of meter to the hundredth of the meter. Why? Because it can destructed or damages caused more and more. This can have a destructive nature in which it can be sucks about whatever it is a plant, the home, or you can just say the residential areas, the animals, or whatever the heavy material towards its weights, it can be consumed or it can be sucked up. It can have the funnels like a tornado that sucks up everything which come inside or in the way of the tornadoes come. Here is most of the area in India, most of the location or the site in India, this could not be get very affected towards. Why? Because there is no most prone or tornado prone areas where it can be caused. This can be caused up to the wherever the whirling or twisting of storm funnel like a structure when can cause, then it can be responsible, that it can be causes. This can form a very high speed twisting and whirling air can be caused as a tornado.